Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix notifications not showing on your iPhone. There might be quite a few reasons for it, so let's dive right into it. So first of all, if you're having an issue with a specific app, you can get to the settings, and from here you can scroll down until you see notifications, tap on it, and then you can scroll down a bit, you can see all of the applications that is currently on your phone. So for example, my calendar application is not showing any kind of notifications, so I'm going to tap on calendar. And from here, you can see allowed notification is turned off. So I'm going to tap on it and turn it on just like this. So even if your allow notifications are turned on and you're still not getting the notifications, the reason might be because of these alerts that you can see right here. So you'll have to make sure that you have selected lock screen notification centers and banners just like this in order to make sure that notifications are popped up everywhere. So here you can also see the option of banner style right here. If you tap on it, I recommend you guys to select persistence in order to show the notification constantly on your phone until you swipe it away. So you can go back, and here you'll also have to turn on badges just like this. And if you want Siri to announce notifications, you can also tap on this announce notifications right here and then enable this option. So after doing that, you can go back, and now calendar application will definitely be showing their notifications on your phone. But if it's not the problem with a specific application, the problem might be with notifications option whole. So you'll have to scroll up, and here you can see the option of display as. So you can see it is currently selected count. It might be issue because you have selected count, since count only pops up notification for a few minutes and then it disappears. So make sure that it is selected stack or list just like this. And after doing all of this, you should be good to go. Your notifications will definitely show on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.